Hello, my planner cravers. It's your girl Sondie, and I am back with another video. Hey guys, how you been doing? Hopefully this week has been great, and I am ready for it to be over, just like any other week. Hey guys, so I'm actually starting this video letting you guys know that I have some new releases. So I want to let you guys know why I'm doing these. Alrighty, so starting off with these two. Now these two, I have my business tracker and you got your retirement 401k. If you have not been to my Etsy shop, I just want to let you know that I do have an investment one now that was requested by a planner user, of course. Or you can even use these in a notebook as well. But I want to let you guys know that since, you know, there was an investment one which I couldn't find, I made one. And then now, since I made that, I made the retirement one. So, I'm going to let you know the scoop on these. Now, I have over 10 different banners, 10 different customization. Well, these banners, these things here, these tops, these, you can customize this. I have so many different colors. Every last one I'm going to show a different color pattern. What I chose, I'm not saying if you want yours to look like this, you can choose the color of the font. The script stickers, these are script stickers. The banner, the strips, the washi strips, and the banner. So I have 3 different colors in this one, 2 different colors in that one, and so on and so on. I got like so many different options. You can customize your own. If you need a business tracker, let's say you didn't like the way I set this up, you have all these different banners you can choose, different colors, all this, you know what I mean? It's all customizable. I can't talk today, as always. Every time I get on YouTube, it's like I just, you know. Next ones I have is housing. So the reason why I've done this one, because there are people who own property. So if you own property, or if you own a home yourself, this one is for you. Now, also let you know, as far as the customization, is you can customize these strips as well. Let's say if you wanted to say something totally different, I can do that for you, not a problem. Once again, these strips are, you can choose a different type of strip. You can choose a different color of the housing script sticker. So that's housing. The next one I got here is taxes. Of course, we all need to worry about our taxes. So I tried to think about people who need to keep track of their mileages. There's the odometer, total miles to and from. There's the year, amount, date, or if you want to do by month, amount. It's totally up to you. This is a way to keep track of your taxes. So let's say if I wanted to, you know what I'm saying, having a business, you're supposed to put aside some money each month. So what happened is I put whatever month it was, the amount, plus or minus, or whatever in total. You see? Once again, all customizable. You do not have to choose this banner. You don't have to choose these colors, these scripts, and you don't have to choose the color of the script sticker. Next one I have is planner sticker budget. Let me tell you, I have experience that people really need to go on a budget dealing with these stickers. I know it's a hobby that we have, but at the same time, we have to make sure that we are able to not go over our budget. Like me, for instance, I did. So I made this script sticker for a particular friend of mine. She knows who she is, but at the same time, any and everybody who's in the planner community or have stickers, you need to be on a budget. You know, this is how you keep track of the budget. So I have either like the shop or the date in the shop, or that you want to just do the item or the month. You know, so like I said, these are all customizable. Next one I have is travel expense. Now, there's some people who will track their expenses as far as travel. You could track it by the month, by the week, by a member, by the date, you know what I mean, or by the item, you know what I mean. So if you want to do some travel expenses and say I want to just, you know what I'm saying, hey, I'm planning on going on a cruise, you know what I mean, in September 2020, I made this use to keep track of how much I am putting towards, you know, the cruise, you know what I mean, stuff like that. So that's why I know. And once again, all customizable. my next stickers that I have, so those are done. Oh, by the way, this is an 8x11 size. Also, you can do it in 7x9, or you can do it in, let me see, I think a 4, like 4, you know, a petite size or so. And then the Hobonichi ones are coming out soon, so look out for that. Next is my speech bubbles. I love bubbles. I love comment stickers. I love all that such. So yes, I decided I created these by hand, and they're pretty cute. You know, you use these as little comment stickers. Just gonna peel this one off. They're not bad at all. You just use them there, put whatever, like either create a little statement on your planners, and we will go over that later because I'm planning on doing some other plan with me's, and I'm planning on using some of these. So since I had the idea that I wanted these, I also added these to my shop so everybody else can have them as well. All right, the next one, new item, is plans. So these are like little planners and you get so many in one, so not bad. Look, I got a hold with 2 hands. So these are plan stickers. I try to give you 2 of each color that I can put together. And of course they have plan. So these are just like my logo of the planner craving, but they're just like, you know, little spiral away, because that's how I create my little cartoon planners. So that's done. Another new item I have is heels. So with heels, you use these as decorative stickers, functional stickers, but pretty much decorative in a way. And I made sure I tried to accommodate every skin tone in a way, and each of them have black and white shoe, black and white, black and white. As far as color goes, for the heel itself, I'm planning on probably doing more colors in the near future, but right now I'm sticking to the black and white, and we'll go with that and see how that works. So those are my heel stickers. And then, of course, I already have these stickers in my shop, but I had to create some new colors. So guys have mustard. Dang, what did I name this one? I know this one was pink, mustard, and I don't even remember what this one was, y'all. Purple, pretty much. So they got a purple, pink, and like a yellow. So those ones are available now. So before this, I had a light gray, a blue for New Year's, and I also had a red. So that way you'll have other colors for these Build-Do stickers. Alright guys, last but not least, for now, I'm still working on some other stuff. They're not ready. I'm not going to stress about it. So I made some more expensive stickers. I have the blue, call that one blueberry. I have the red. I have the pink, or the hot pink should I say, and I have eggplant is what I call it. I call it eggplant. I think eggplant is pretty much darker than this, but I'd call this eggplant. So yep, that is the 3 that I have. I mean the 4, sorry, not 3. Those are the ones that I have as far as my new releases. So if you're not familiar with my Etsy shop and you would like to purchase, please purchase. The description is down below. I am loving the fact that if you do not like what I put together, you can customize these stickers to however you like. So that's why I made like red letters, you know. Also have this style in the pink. Also have another style of this rainbow. I have 3 styles in total for this one. I have 2 styles for this one. Oh, there's the other one that I was telling you about. Oh, and the other one. There you go. See how that worked out? Alrighty guys, that was it for this video. Please comment below. Please share. Please visit my Etsy shop and also support. And I thank you guys so much for viewing this video, and I will see you in the next one.